want to help me get the chickens? Say hi, chickies. Say. Come with me and my beautiful granddaughter Robin today as we spend time in our garden. So needless to say, Robin is completely thrilled with our chickens. But now it's time to do a harvest with Grandma. Now, if it's one thing Robin got from her grandmother, is she loves people. So she got a little distracted. Look, hi. Look, Robin. Robin, look. Look, Robin. So Robin has never had a blueberry before in her life. And all it took was one bite.
See that one? Get that one.
And she was hooked.
Look, right here, Robbie. Get this one. Look what you got.
Now we're here to harvest the blueberries. So you can't keep eating them. We gotta harvest them. Okay, Robin, what you doing? I got it. We can't eat them. So as I try to keep up with Robin, she kept eating. I guess that's her seal of approval. Robin, you can't eat them all. Do you like the blueberries? You are so precious, girl. So as we continue to harvest, I immediately got flashbacks of being in my grandmother's garden and realized we were making memories she would never forget. All right, let me hurry up and try to catch up. Hey. Wait. Can I cook? Let's pick them. Are they good? Thank you, Robbie. And just like that, blueberry after blueberry, moment after moment, we shared and enjoyed our blueberries. Until what? A freaking mosquito flew on my baby, so you know Grandma had to go ham. Getting on my baby. Now back to picking. At first, I was scared she'd get sick by eating so many blueberries, but I realized that I took the care to grow healthy organic blueberries, and my baby could eat as many as she liked, and that she did. There's nothing more special than eating fresh, yummy, organic blueberries, rinsed by the rain and ripened by the sun.
Robin?
Huh? Robin, I can't keep up with you. I'm trying to keep up with you. You're moving so fast. It's hard to keep you going because you're... Oh, thank you. Thank you. And yes, we kept picking. Is this your favorite part of our day, coming to pick blueberries with Grandma? All right, I think this is enough. We'll come back and get more later. Needless to say, I tried to wrap up, but Robin was not convinced quite yet. A fun fact about blueberries: they are incredible. They are antioxidant, and believe it or not, Blueberries strengthen the lining of your veins, helping prevent strokes and cardiovascular problems. They're truly one of my favorite fruits to grow. As I begin to prepare these blueberries to freeze and to use in yummy smoothies, oatmeal, all the things, I never forget the time that I spent with my precious grandbaby and can't wait to do it all over again. Tell everybody bye, Robin. Tell them bye. Okay.